I'm going to talk about creating employment opportunities in manufacturing sector. Agenda of this presentation: present scenario in manufacturing sector, cross-section analysis of manufacturing sector, Indian labor force distribution across various sectors, employment opportunity share in agriculture, employment creation in manufacturing sector, and finally recommendations. Indian industry is in a tremendous growth phase of fourth industrial revolution called digitalization, smart cities, and the Internet of Things, service and people, machine, and deep learning in their factories. Digitalization is all about increasing output per human, what inhabit our manufacturing sector contribution in India's GDP, size of manufacturing sector in India. Graph shows the manufacturing sector size in INR billion investment and the GDP share. When we analyze this graph, it shows from 2008 onwards, there is a decline in the GDP contribution from manufacturing sector. 16% from 16% to 15.4%. Labor distribution across different sectors. When we analyze, service sector contributes 57.7% of GDP and 12.1% contribution from other industries, and manufacturing sector contributes 15.8%. Finally, agriculture contributes 40.4% of GDP. Whereas the labor intensive or labor distribution from agriculture is around 50 to 58.2%. At the same time, 11.4% is the contribution of labor from manufacturing sector and other industries 10.5%. And finally, services 19.9% labor contribution. Agriculture sector, the contribution in employment, there is a disproportionately large share of employment coming from agriculture when compared its on GDP contribution 14.4%. Finally, recommendations: encourage growth in labor intensive industries such as wood, paper products, textiles, and food products, agriculture byproducts, possible to absorb the rising surplus, mostly unskilled workers with no special qualification. Secondly, focus on MSMEs, which are critical for country's economic and social development. At the same time, the labor capital ratio is much higher in MSMEs than large industries. Improve the quality of training imparted in schools and colleges. Also, there is a need of internship in all the field of professional education, which is the need of the hour to cater technological driven large industrial and IT sector to generate highly skilled workforce. Fourth point, significant growth in some advanced sectors of the economy such as information technology, automobiles, pharmaceuticals, etc., which has a spillover effect from other conventional sectors. Also, the drastic expansion in service, financial services, IT, ITES, biotechnology, digital and communication sector, which would transform India towards a knowledge-based economy with a new generation of educated and skilled workforce. That's all. Thank you.